Hello students, I'm going to discuss some more MCQs about dynamics. Question number 3. Which is a statement of Newton's third law of motion? You know very well what is Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion says every action has equal but opposite reaction. You know very well. So look at the options. Options A. Every force cause a reaction. This option is wrong. Option B. If there is no resultant force on a body, then there is no acceleration. This is not a statement of Newton's third law. Now, option C. The force acting on a body are always equal and opposite. It is also wrong because this is not the Newton's third law statement. Now, option D. To every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. So this option is absolutely correct because according to Newton's third law, every action has equal but opposite reaction. Now, question number 4. A car is traveling at constant speed along a road and drives over a large patch of oil. The driver applies the brakes to stop the car. Compared to braking on a dry road, what may happen? Now, in this question, car is traveling on a patch of oil. So, you will observe braking force. What is braking force? Braking force, when you apply a force, the time after application of your force is called braking distance, and the force when you apply is called braking force to stop the car. So look at these options. Option A, the car slow down more quickly because of the greater friction between the tires and the road. This option is 100% wrong. Why? Because friction will not reduce when patch of oil is there. So this option A is wrong. Now, option B, the car speeds up at first because of the reduced friction between the tires and the road. No, car will not speed of car will not increase on the patch of oil. So this option is wrong. Now, option C. In option C, the car takes longer to slow down because of the reduce of the friction between the tires and the road. The car takes longer to slow down because of the reduced friction between the tires and the road. So this option is correct because after applying force, it will take some time due to lubrication or patch of oil. It will take time. So option C is correct, but we will see the next option D. We will not stop our working. We will read all four options. Maybe option D is correct. So the car takes longer to slow down because the thinking distance of the driver is greater. No, What is thinking distance? Thinking distance means when driver take time to think when brake will apply. So this is called thinking distance. So option D is not correct because it will not take long time due to thinking distance. It will take longer time to slow down of the car. So option C is correct. The car takes longer to slow down because of the reduced friction between the tires and the road. Thank you very much.